And here is the baklava tray in 10 minutes. Can you imagine the beauty, everyone? Honestly, it doesn't get better or faster than this. And the best part is you can add the filling you like according to your preference. Look, mashallah, beauty literally takes 10 minutes, no more. My dears, if you receive the video as we are used to, don't forget me with a sweet prayer from the heart, a comment, and sharing the video so that any new recipe I make reaches you immediately. Let's make the syrup. Here I put 2 cups of sugar and 3 cups of water, with the cup size being 250 milliliters. I added a slice of lemon and now I've turned on the heat. I let it boil, and as soon as it starts boiling, I time 10 minutes and then turn it off. And now for the filling according to preference, I put 1 cup of peanuts, a little hazelnut, a little walnut, and 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. You can also add pistachios if you like. I added a small spoon of cinnamon, which gives it a nice flavor, but you can skip it if you don't like it. I ground it finely like this and set it aside. Any filling that comes to your mind, you can use it. And now I brought the tray that will go into the oven. I brushed it with a generous amount of ghee, as you can see, because baklava in this way loves a lot of ghee. And now I brought a pack of Filo dough. My dears, you often ask me about Filo dough. It's available at a store that sells pastries, like the one that sells kunafa and katayef, and it's very cheap. I make 2 layers like this and brush a little ghee. Now I add the filling as desired. I don't like it to be too much. Now we take the skewer and roll it like this. Or honestly, it's the nicest shape you'll make, and it doesn't take any work at all. I wrapped it like this, my dears. Now I want to crimp it, as you can see. Just like that. It explains itself. Look, it's very easy and quick, and you can leave it intact without crimping. I mean, according to your preference, give me your opinion on it. Look how beautiful it is. I mean, now, if you want to buy a kilogram of baklava from outside, how much would it cost? Okay, make it at home, everyone. And the better the ghee, the more delicious it will turn out. There's nothing tastier than this, my dears. You will really thank me for it, God willing. I filled the tray like this, and now we need to cut it. We can't cut it after putting it in the oven so it doesn't break. Cut it into the shape you prefer, however you like. I cut it in this shape, my dears, and applied another layer of ghee. Of course, write to me in the comments if you like these recipes more during this period or not, and let me know your opinion. My dears, now I put it on the rack, set the temperature to 180 degrees and place it on the second to last shelf. Keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Now here I brought the syrup and wanted to add a little vanilla to it, as you can see, to give it a nice flavor. I turned on the bottom only, then turned on the grill for 10 minutes. Look at the beauty. It doesn't take me 25 minutes, and as soon as you take it out, you add the syrup. The syrup, of course, should be warm, neither cold nor hot, because if it's hot, it will become mushy. Now, I soaked it with the syrup in the amount you desire, but don't overdo it so it doesn't become too heavy. Garnish with any type of nuts you have and see the beauty and deliciousness. Give me your opinion. I want your opinion, both big and small, on this video. Honestly, it was very nice and delicious, and your kids will really love it, and it's not expensive at all. My dear ones, wait for me with a recipe tomorrow, God willing. I've been posting for about 3 or 4 days now, a new recipe every day, but maybe you're not receiving them due to low interaction. My dear ones, don't forget me with a sweet prayer from the heart and a comment.